See if I remember it. I haven't done this in a while, but when I did a tour as his lead guitarist back in 2006, and every night we started the show with this song, and it's just a real fun tune. A little dark, but it's called "Make It Rain." Of course, what Tom Waits song isn't dark?
Yeah. Anybody know?
We'll see. We don't have any plans to play every night, but we haven't done it in a long time.
Nice and slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
She took all my money and my best friend. You know the story. Here it comes again. I have no pride. I have no shame. You got to make it rain. Since she's been gone, deep inside the place, I'm just another sad guest on this here earth. I won't believe in the mercy of the world again. You got to make it rain. Make it rain. And it's too quiet, stretched out long. Need the whip of thunder and the windstorm. I'm not able, I just can't. Over on the hemisphere, make it rain, make it rain. I'm close to heaven, trapped at the gate. Open all my mistakes. You gotta make it rain. Make it rain.
rain, make it rain.
I'm close to heaven, crushed at the gate. They sharpening knives all my mistakes. I wanna believe in the mercy of the world again. You gotta make it rain, make it rain.
Well, I'll tell you, this is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna make believe that we got off the stage, right?